So I made this video about how you can set up international shipping on Shopify, but it's out of date, and Shopify has, like as you can see, Shopify has changed its settings. Now what you need to do, guys, to set up international shipping on Shopify is you want to go to settings at the very bottom left. You want to click on it, click on shipping and delivery, as you can see here. Now after you click, guys, on shipping and delivery, you need to click on create a new profile, as you can see where it says here add customer rates or destination restrictions for groups of products. You want to click on create a new profile, and you want to click here, you want to scroll down, and where it says here create zone, you want to click on create zone, and here you want to name the zone in the top. For example, I would just name it, for example, products I ship to. Don't worry, customers will not be able to see this, okay? And here you want to select the countries that you want to ship to. For example, if you want to ship to Australia, Belgium, Canada, you can just select one by one. But if you want to ship to all these countries at once, you just want to click on international. You want just to check this international, and as you can see here, you have checked all the countries, okay? But if you want to check only a few countries, you can just uncheck the international, and then you can select one by one: Australia, Belgium, Canada, Australia, and you can just France, Germany, Finland. After you select all the countries that you would like to ship to, then you want to click on done, and make sure you add the shipping rate. So it means how much money people are going to pay for the shipping, okay? After they are, like, if someone from these countries that you have selected right now, you will have to pay a different amount so that you can ship the product to them, okay? You want to click on add rate, and here you want to name the rate name. You want to put standard. If you want to offer free shipping to these countries, you can do that. You just want to put 0.00, and that's it. But if you want to, for example, charge $20, you can just put here 20 and click done. Yeah, and that's it. Now after that, this is very important, guys. After you finish all this, you want to click on save. To create this profile, change profile name. Okay, I'm just going to put here, for example, in the name in the top, you just want to put here something. Okay, it doesn't matter, customers will not be able to see it. Click save. And after, guys, you click save, you want to do other thing, which is very important. You want to click on settings again at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets. You want to click on add markets in the top. Here you wanna, for example, countries again, and then you want to click add countries, and then you select the countries that you would like to ship to again here. Okay, it's very important. For example, Canada, Australia, French. You want to click done, and then you want to save. As you can see, market added, so people will be able now to buy from these countries, okay? So if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment in a very short time, like 10 minutes. I will reply to you guys, okay? See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys next video.